Hi everyone, welcome to our demo of PrepWorld, a dedicated web application designed to help graduate students organize, analyze, and master their technical interview preparation. As a MS and CS student, we know how overwhelming it is to manage hundreds of coding problems across scattered documents and spreadsheets. PrepWorld is built to solve that problem by bringing everything into one cohesive platform. So let's start with security and onboarding. Our authentication system supports robust front-end form validations. I implemented password visibility, toggling with this eye icon. On the back end, we use secure password hashing and established sessions using HTTP only cookies to keep user sessions secure. In our MongoDB database that we will see later, in our MongoDB database, we can see the newly created user document. Notice that the password is not stored in the plain text. It is fully encrypted using backend hashing. So further, I would like Nirja to continue.
As soon as a new user signs up, we don't want them facing a blank canvas. To jumpstart that preparation, I built an automatic background seeding utility. This utility fetches 1200 standard lead code questions directly from a raw GitHub JSON source and populates their workspace instantly. Once logged in, the user is greeted by our split dashboard. I designed this view to provide parallel analytics comparing the mastered lead code list against the user's personal vault. We use dynamic SVG progress rings to show overall completion, linear focus tracks per topic to identify the weak subject weaknesses, and color coded difficulty bars to show the ratio of easy, medium, and hard questions solved. To keep the application highly customizable, we built dedicated administration views. Users can manage topics using a native color picker and create custom target companies. I implemented a case insensitive deduplication validator on the backend to prevent duplicate tags. Additionally, I wrote cascading deletion logic. So if a user deletes a target company, the backend automatically purges that company's appearance details from all the associated questions. Finding the right question during focused study sessions is critical. We support segregated tabs to toggle between the lit code questions and the user's personal vault. I implemented debounds live search on the front end to query questions instantly without overloading the backend. Under the hood, the backend uses advanced MongoDB query builders to filter questions by topic, difficulty, and companies dynamically. Now Keshwe will take over for the rest of the demo of the application.
Now let's look at question management. I designed the card layout and metadata displays complete with instant practiced checkboxes. User can add or edit questions through these accessible forms. For deep dives, clicking any card slides out a details drawer. I implemented a debounced auto-saving text area here. As you type your approach notes, it saves to the backend in the background so you never lose your progress. You can also log company appearances with specific roles and years. Finally, we respect user privacy and lifecycle data. I built the account settings, interface, and the corresponding delete account endpoint. When a user chooses to delete their account, the backend performs a comprehensive cascade cleanup, permanently purging their personal questions, custom topics, company appearances, and session details from our database.
To keep our codebase clean and maintainable, we structured the project into independent front-end and back-end directories and configured custom running scripts in our parent package.json. In summary, RepVault gives grad students the targeted analytics and tracking workspace they need to build confidence and ace their interviews. Thank you for watching.